Hello, my friend. What can I do to make good decisions? If saying yes has become automatic in your life, learn to evaluate your decision before you give a response. Is this something I want to do? Evaluate your opinion before you decide. If this is something you want to do, great. We go to the next question. If it's not, let's pause and evaluate. What will I leave to do it? By choosing doing something for someone, you have to leave something behind. Maybe the time with your family, maybe some money. Before you make a decision, evaluate what it means to say yes. What will I gain doing it? Maybe this decision gives you an opportunity to improve your relationships. Or maybe it's something you will enjoy. Think about the potential benefits of saying yes. How will I feel if I do something they're telling me? How will I feel if I make this decision? Will you be angry or happy? Will you be disappointed or proud of yourself after doing it? Dedicate some time to think how you will feel. Comment here about a decision you've made and how you felt after doing it. Comment here. I want to read your comment. Thank you very much. I am Felipe Gibi. See you next class. The benefits of being assertive and not trying to please everyone. Your self-confidence will increase a lot.